Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix thrown and liability, FPS drop, shuttering, lagging or the freezing issues. I will show you guys the very effective solution. So first make a right click on your taskbar and you will see the task manager, simply open it. And guys, here you will see all the background application running on your PC. Now you will see the memory or the CPU on the top. Now if these are above the 90%, then this means this is the data symbol and you just need to close all the background applications you are seeing on the top. So make a right click on all of these data are useless and click on the end task. So make sure you end task all of these data are useless. Then go to the startups on the top and guys here just disable all of these. Because when you start your PC, these applications start automatically without your permission and causing a lot of CPU or RAM usage and causing your game crash. So make a right click on all of these, then just click on the disable. Now the next important setting that you need to apply is the privacy settings. So go to the Windows search, just start the privacy settings and open it. Now here on the left hand side, just scroll down and you'll see the background apps. Click on that. Now here just make sure that the background apps are off, because these are also the application that consume the most of your RAM or CPU and cause your game crash. So make sure you turn it off. Now the next important setting is the system configuration settings. So go to the Windows search, type the system configurations and open it. Now here you'll see the boot on the top. Click on that, click on the advanced options. Then just check the box processors and just select the maximum number of processors you have. Guys, if you have the 4, 8, 16 or the any value selected, this will increase your game performance. Then go to the services on the top. Then just check this box of hide all Microsoft services. Then just disable all of these, because these are the useless services and consuming the most of your RAM or CPU on your PC, causing your game crash. Then just click on apply. Then you must need to restart your PC to apply the changes. Then launch the game, and this setting fix your any kind of shuttering or the FPS drop or the lagging issues in your game. And if your problem is fixed, please don't forget to like this video and please consider liking, and bye bye and take care.